Here's a TLC controller hooked up to my servo tester. It's a 2-channel servo tester. This is going to represent throttle. This toggle switch over here is to represent the third channel, the control channel for the TLC controller. Now, right now it's off. This servo, as I said, represents the throttle. It's hooked up through the throttle in and out to the TLC. The TLC's got a bunch of LEDs plugged into it, that messy test jig there. I'm going to turn it on. You're going to see some lights flash, and that flashing is to let you know that it's calibrating. Okay, so once it finishes flashing, it's measured the throttle signal and knows where the center position of the throttle is, because it's assuming that your finger's off the throttle when you power up. That's how it knows where the brake position is. It's meant to be used on a speed control that is known as instant reverse. So normally it sits in the middle, and then when you go forward, it moves forward, and you push backwards, it makes your rig go backwards. So that's sort of how it's designed. So I'm going to power it up, look for the flashing. Okay, it's all booted up, ready to go. That's the always on light. This red one down here is the brake light. Now I'm going to move the throttle signal, this one. Here, this flashing you see is the hazard light coming on because we haven't touched the throttle for a little while. Okay, I'm going to move the throttle control. You're going to see the forward, I think that's green, or reverse, which is white, come on. And the brake light will go off. So that's how it's meant to work. I'll just do it again. You can kind of see how everything works together. You saw it jiggle there because I was on the edge of reverse and stop. So, that's just the risk of how it is. I mean, it's got a little window of where it expects the zero throttle position to be. If you get on the edge of that, you're going to get some flickering. Okay, so there's brake. There's reverse, back to brake, there's forward. And just for fun, the third channel, here I'm going to go to turn on the green light. Now if I turn on the 3-position channel to the first position, you'll see the brake light come on dimly. It's really hard to pick out because there's that white light beside it, but there's a little bit of red there you can just see. It comes on too. I think we've covered just about everything.